In this video, I am going to show you how to do a factory data reset of your iQOO Z10 Lite 5G phone. The procedure is same for all other iQOO and Vivo phones which run on FunTouchOS 15. During this process, the data on the phone will be erased. So after taking the complete backup of the phone, then only do the factory data reset. I have taken the complete backup of my phone, then only I am going with the factory data reset. Open settings on your phone. Under settings, scroll all the way down and click on system management. Under system management, you can find this option, reset options. Click on that. Under reset options, you need to select the last option, erase all data. Click on that and click on erase all data. If you have set any pattern, enter that pattern. Before clicking on erase all data, make sure you have taken the complete backup. Then only click on this button. Now the phone will restart. Now you can see the message, clearing data, don't use the device. Now the phone will restart again. Once the phone restarts, it shows you the welcome screen. I will go through the setup process quickly. The phone has been booted up. Now everything on the phone is erased. Here you can see that there are no photos. So that's it guys. In this way you can do a factory data reset of iQOO Z10 Lite 5G. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.